Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the Optic boards on this Kenmore refrigerator here. It was giving us a code that it was not reading properly. The lights were blinking, but we're going to be replacing them. So what you want to do is, there's Phillips head screws. There's one there, and one there. And then on the other side is also one there, and there. There's 3 total screws that we're going to be pulling out in order to get to the boards. Remember to always unplug the refrigerator before you perform any kind of job. Okay, there is the board there, held in by 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to unplug the harness there and remove the board and put the new one in. So I'm always using a drill, but in the case when I'm on any kind of control board, it's best to use a screwdriver or a nut driver with a Phillips head bit in it. Anytime you order the Optic kits, you'll have 2 control boards. One is the reader, the Opt with the laser, and the other is the board that reads and controls the Icemaker. Alright, since we got the screws removed out on the other side, here's the board. It's also held in by 2 Phillips head screws also. Remove the harness, pull it out, and we're going to replace this side also. Alright guys, just a little side note on these Optics here. Anytime you see a green label and it says the serial number right here, that means that there's a core charge on this. Now wherever you purchase this from, they should alert you and let you know that there is a core. So what you want to do is write your model and your serial number in it and turn that back, and you'll get that core charge in return. Just want to throw that out there. Guys, so once you got both the boards replaced and installed, you just fire the refrigerator back up and turn the boards on. The Icemaker should begin to cycle. Wait, make sure it fills, and you should be good to go. This is David with DC Appliance Repair. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.